Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. I'm going to try and set this video as a premiere so that I can actually be on here chatting with you while I'm going over what I've got to talk to you about today. So I've got some really exciting news. I'm now going to be stocking ScanNCut machines and all the accessories, consumables. So this is just some of the first product I've got. So just to let you know that I will be stocking the mats and the blades and all the other consumables for all model ScanNCut machines. So not just the DX and SDX, but the CM as well. If you go to my applelover53.co.uk website, address is here on the screen, you'll now see that there are two shop tabs, one that says ScanNCut shop and one that says Stampin' Up shop. So everything to do with the ScanNCut now is all under one tab. So you've got, from that tab, underneath you've got drop down, so you'll have the cutting file shop where you can purchase any of my ScanNCut cutting files. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people that do buy them. It really does help. This is my business now since I don't have my other job that I used to have, so this is my business. So by shopping with me, you really are helping me out, and I just want to thank everybody that has supported me, not only this last year but in recent years. So as I say, you'll see it says cutting files, then underneath it says machines and accessories. So all the product is there listed. Underneath that there's a help and information section, so anybody that might be new to the ScanNCut, if you want to have a look and look for like machine comparisons, or you want to look at some of the manuals or what patterns are on what machine, all the information is in the help and information section. And again, I've broken it all down between DX, SDX models and CM models, so look for what you're looking for and then kind of scroll over to the right and it will tell you whether it's applicable to all the machines or just the auto blade machines or the CM machines. So that's all on there as well. And then obviously there's a Stampin' Up tab, so if you do want to shop with me for your Stampin' Up craft supplies, then everything relating to Stampin' Up is now under the Stampin' Up tab. So as I say, I've got DX blades, CM blades here. I've got some CM mats and DX mats just in this first box. I've had to like chop the sides of it and everything to get it under my camera, and I've just put some of these items in here just so there's something to look at. But while I'm talking about supporting me and people that have supported me, I'd like to thank somebody. Let me just move this out of the way. Now, she may or may not be on the premiere, but I'd like to thank Pauline. Pauline supports me on Ko-fi, but she's also a Stampin' Up customer, and she messaged me and asked me could she send me a gift. I told her that there was absolutely no need, but she really wanted to, so I just want to show you what she sent me. So first of all, she sent me this beautiful card with the angel and the tree on it and everything, and look at that. I'll definitely be casing that design because I think it's fab. So she sent me that was beautiful, and that's from Pauline and family and Poppy, the border collie. She's also sent me a Tombow glue holder. So as a Stampin' Up demonstrator, you'll see that I use Tombow glue, multi-purpose glue, a lot in my videos. And her son has made this on a 3D printer, and it just slots in like so. So you stand it on your desk and then you just pop that in and it just keeps the glue flowing all the way down for you, which is really lovely, and that will definitely be sitting on my desk and it will be being used. So I'd like to thank her for that. But the other thing that she sent me are these Liberty, there's a little note there from her as well, but Liberty Lawn fabric samples, and they're absolutely beautiful. And it's funny because I was looking at something on Pinterest recently and something popped up and it was made with Liberty fabric, and I remember thinking how beautiful did that look, and look what she sent me. So I'll definitely be making something in 2023 with these, but I have no idea at the moment what I'm going to use them for, but I don't want to rush it because they're such beautiful fabrics. So I just thought I'd share these with you as well. I think there's 4 pieces of each one. This one's called Morvie, and it's all like beautiful, big, bold, kind of like retro-ish flowers. Then she sent me this one. This one's called Angelica Gala, which is more muted. It's got similar shaped flowers to this one, I'll just keep them on one side, but all in muted colours. So that's another lovely one. And then she sent me this one, which is absolutely adorable. This is Angelica Gala again, but in a different colourway, so the same as that one. Lavender, this is called Meadow. This is really pretty. But I mean, things like this would make great pin cushions. Can't think off the top of my head. As I say, I want to have a good think before I, start sewing it all together and wasting it. I suppose you could put them all together and make a big patchwork cushion. That would be nice, and maybe line it. So that's another one. This one's pretty with all the pinks. Love that. This one's called Marbella or Marbella. I don't know how you pronounce it. And then this one's called Small Susanna, very similar to a couple of the other designs, but in, definitely different colours. I mean, this blue kind of reminds me a bit of Tahitian. Is it called Tahitian Tide, one of the new Stampin' Up colours? Absolutely beautiful. This one, like little ditzy print, this is called Pepper. That's really lovely, in pinks and greens. Another one in pink. These look like pansies to me. It's called Roz. That's beautiful. And another Marbella, but in a different colourway. Such beautiful colours, and a lot of these colours definitely look, like Stampin' Up colours to me. And this one, this is called Strawberry Thief. And this has got like birds in it and everything. Absolutely stunning. So she sent me those, as I say, this Tombow glue holder and a note and a beautiful card for me and Hannah and Eddie. So I wanted to come on and just say thank you for those, because they really are stunning, and it was really lovely of her to think of me and send me them. As I say, just going back to, I was going to try and put my website on here to show you the page, but for some reason I can't remember how to do it. So anyway, not to worry. But just going back to the ScanNCut supplies, as I say, everything is listed. It says machines and accessories, and there's a I think it defaults to a page with everything on, but I've put a filter on it, filter by products, and you can filter by mats, blades, pens, and I think I've put other. So under other, I've got things like the rhinestone kit and the sticker kit, that kind of thing. And speaking of stickers, I've been using my sticker kit to make some die cut stickers. So normally we kind of print and then we do a half cut or a kiss cut, so that we leave all our prints on an A4 sheet and you can just peel the stickers off. Well, with these I decided that I printed them all on an A4 sheet, but then I used the laminating sheet that comes in the sticker starter kit, and I've then just done a regular full cut. So these are laminated, not sure how well you'll see it, but they are shiny. But then they have got the sticker paper on the back, so you can peel these off and make them into laminated die cut stickers, or you can leave them on. So I've got all sorts of things in here. Just had fun the other day getting my sticker sheets out and printing lots of different designs. What I did, I dragged them all into Canva. The designs are not from Canva. And then I put them all on like one A4 sheet and downloaded it and printed it through my printer. Then I put it in the ScanNCut machine, scanned it, applied the outline, and then I stuck the laminated sheet on. But I can always, maybe do a live or something on that in the future. I think I have done it before, but it's a while. And then this is another set I did. As I say, normally when we do stickers, we just do a half cut and we leave all our printed designs on the sheet. But if you want to use the laminate sheet and make them into like sticker die cuts, then this is what I did with these, and this is just a fox design. But can you see the shine there? That's the laminate coating. So I was having fun doing those. So these are just some little extra bits that I'm going to be popping into orders when I send things out. So that's 2 lots I've got ready already, but I am going to be making some more. So if at the moment the website is set up for UK mainland delivery only, so if you've got like a UK postcode, which I think includes Northern Ireland, so it's like England, Ireland, Scotland and Wales, it's set up for delivery for those areas. But if you would like to shop with me, or you would like information on any of the ScanNCut products, and you live outside of the United Kingdom, then on my website there's a contact tab on the home page. At the top there's a contact tab. If you just contact me via there, and I'll be more than happy to chat with you and, you know, help you out if I can with postage quotes for sending things anywhere else. You will also see on the website that I have the CM300, the SDX 900 and the SDX 1200 machines. And anybody that buys a machine off me obviously will get free help and support. And what we'll try and do is, maybe if you do buy a machine, try and arrange to do an hour kind of out of the box session. Either, you know, you can come to me, but I'm in High Peak, Derbyshire, or we can do it online. So obviously once you've got it out of the box and you've got it plugged in, then I can, with the software I use, I can send you a link, and providing you've got a phone with a camera on and audio, or a laptop that's got, you know, FaceTime and audio that you can point at your machine, then I can obviously try and, you know, give you some hints and tips along the way. So that's my news. Now, if you subscribe to my newsletter, you'll already know this, because I did want to send a newsletter out to everybody that is already subscribed to me first. So that's another reason that's a good idea to sign up to my newsletter, because you're kept up to date with all ScanNCut and Stampin' Up information and offers and that kind of thing. But I do also, you know, from time to time, if I've got anything that I want to post before I do it publicly on social media, I will do it via a newsletter. So this will probably be going out on Friday the 23rd of December. As I say, I'm going to set it to a premiere. Anybody that wants to talk to me live can do in the chat. You just need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account, and then you can go to live chat and we can chat. But people that are already subscribed to the newsletter will already know the information about all the Stampin' Up machines and accessories. And going forward, I'm not going to be getting rid of my SDX 2200 Disney machine, but I will probably maybe be going to get an SDX 1200. As I say, I'm not getting rid of my SDX 2200 Disney. There's nothing wrong with it. You know, it's still, I think, the top of the range machine, but not everybody wants the Disney designs. They are copyrighted. You can't use them for anything other than personal use. That's another reason why I very rarely use them. You know, you will see me make projects from time to time, but I don't use the Disney a lot, because I do understand that it's, you know, it is a massive expense. The SDX 1200 is the same machine without the Disney. As I say, on the help and information section, there is a link to comparisons, so you can go and you can look and see what's, you know, what's the difference between the 1200 and the SDX. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think it's some of the, you know, inbuilt patterns and the fonts. But to all intents and purposes, machine-wise, it does exactly the same thing. It's Wi-Fi, it has the PES compatibility, I'm more or less certain. I've just not got the information in front of me. So it's compatible with your sewing embroidery machines. And that's another thing that I am going to be doing going forward into 2023, using my Brother Innovis V5 LE a lot more. I've not used it anywhere enough as I should do. It's such an expensive machine, and it's beautiful. So I'm going to be using that a lot more going forward as well. For anybody that does go to the website, would be lovely if you would choose to shop with me. As I say, I am just an independent small business. Literally, I would do everything as I do now with Stampin' Up. You know, I get my orders, I send out my thank yous, I print out my own printed labels, delivery labels and all that kind of thing, take them all to the post office myself. And it's going to be the same with, you know, with the ScanNCut accessories, etc. It's just me. So if you know, would consider shopping with me, or if you know people that are looking at a ScanNCut machine, or people that have the machine already and are looking for, blades and mats, etc., if you would, share my website information, it would be very much appreciated. There is also a facility on the website that if your order is £30 or more, you can pay in 3 interest-free payments if you choose the PayPal option. When you click on an item and then before you add it to your basket, if you select the item, it will come up where it gives you the options to pay with Apple Pay, PayPal, or debit or credit card. It usually comes up there, 3 interest-free payments are available on this order, and from memory I think it's an order of £30 or over. So that's another option where you can choose to spread the cost, and that's on anything over £30 or £30 and over. So if you buy a couple of mats or mats and a blade, or you buy a machine, you can choose the interest-free option. That's my news. I just thought I would get this out there. I know it's Christmas time and everybody's busy, and obviously I'm not going to be working on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day, but I just wanted to put this out there and let everybody know. And if nothing else, just go along and have a look at the website. As I say, go to the ScanNCut shop and you can choose machines and accessories, and then, as I say, you can choose and filter by products. I'm not so sure if I've got everything on there at the moment, because this is something I've been working on quite a lot over this last week. Everything might not be on there, but again, if there's something that you're interested in that isn't on the website, use the contact tab and just contact me and ask me or tell me what it is you're looking for. So that's it. That's my news. And as I say, I wanted to say thank you to Pauline for sending me these beautiful gifts. And I think really all as I need to say now is I just want to, wish you all a very Merry Christmas. Have a safe holiday season, no matter what it is that you're doing. And I will obviously see you all or speak to you all in maybe the next week or so. So take care. Thank you, everybody, and bye for now.